Hi. Can you get your magnet? Ba, ba, ba. The red triangle magnet. Can you get it, buddy? Ooh, a shoe and your wheel. Hey, Nathaniel. Uh-huh. Look at this. Can you get that? Can you get that? How are you going to get that? Oh, look at you. It's pretty tall, huh? Can you get that up there? Can you get your magnet? Mm-hmm. Where is it? I see it up there too. Can you get it? Danny, where's your magnet? Can you get that? Yeah, it's up there. Can you get it? Hello. Hello. Nathaniel man, where's your magnet? Do you want to get up there and get it? Can you reach it, bud? Where's your magnet? Nathaniel, are you kissing that wheel? Go get it. You can get up there. You know what to do. You blow raspberries at me. No, Mama.